Welcome back. The Marathon Lok Sabha elections, one of the biggest elections, came to a close on Monday. Polling was held in 41 constituencies in 3 states. Counting of votes in all the 543 Lok Sabha constituencies will be taken up on May 16th.
Over 9 crore voters voted to seal the fate of 606 candidates, including BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi and AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal, both from Varanasi, and SP Chief Mulayam Singh Yadav from Azamgarh in the 9th and final phase of polling. On Monday, elections were held at Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. Counting of votes in all the 543 Lok Sabha constituencies will be taken up on May 16th. An average of 66% voters exercised their franchise in the last 8 phases. The whole elections were spread over 35 days. Polling was by and large peaceful in the previous 8 phases, barring incidents of Maoist violence in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa is becoming a nursery of squash talents as another youngster, Yash Fatte, has made an impact at the national level. Yash won the Under-13 national title in Chennai recently and then qualified to represent India at the Asian Junior Championship to be held in Iran next month. Yash is the first Goan boy to represent India after Akanksha Sarunke achieved this feat in the past in the girls category.
Vasco-based Yash Fatte is 12 years old and is a student of St. Joseph's High School. He displayed fantastic consistency in the tournaments in Chennai and won all his matches without dropping a single game. Yash will represent India at the Asian Junior Individual Championships from 22nd to 26th June. Yash will then go tournament hopping in Holland, Germany and Hong Kong.
And now break time.
Yash feels that he could taste success in Chennai because of wholehearted support from his parents.
All because of the support of my parents, the school and all my friends. This will not be possible, like everyone, all my friends, my coach, everyone is supporting me, and all because of this I got selected now.
Here, were you confident of your preparations?
Like last time I was in the selection I came 5th. The top 4 had to go. So this time, last time it was an experience how to prepare, and so this time I prepared very hard and I knew what to do. So in this time I was confident I'll perform well and get selected. And as well, same thing as well as the ISA Junior Open, the same people met me and I tried to beat them as low as possible.
Yash will now focus his energy on training hard for the upcoming Asian competition.
Know what, like I'm looking at watching videos about the players and all those things. So now I'm like, after I'll talk to my coach how to practice, and he'll show me what to do on what time and all diets and everything.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
After pulling off sensational escape from the clutches of relegation, Churchill Brothers will look to play without any pressure on them in the AFC pre-quarterfinals on Tuesday afternoon. The Varca-based club will take on Vietnam's Vissai Ninh Binh in the away match for the place in quarterfinals of the prestigious Asian Club Football Tournament.
Churchill Brothers have notched up mixed results in the 2013-14 season. While they have won the Federation Cup this year, the Varca-based club has managed to avoid relegation from the I-League by the skin of their teeth. Despite their struggles in the I-League, Churchill Brothers managed to make it to the last 16 stage in the rigorous AFC Cup, which is Asia's equivalent of UEFA Europa League. This season, 2012-13 I-League champions Churchill Brothers and runners-up Pune FC represented India at the AFC Cup. Pune crashed out in the group stages itself, but Churchill finished second in their group with 3 victories, 1 draw and 2 losses to qualify for the pre-quarterfinal stage. A tough test awaits Mariano Diaz's boys now. Unlike the 2-legged group stage encounters, it is now the clash in Vietnam against Vissai Ninh Binh that will decide the quarterfinalist. If Churchill Brothers move into the quarterfinal, it will be a commendable achievement. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.